Hello everyone, I hope you all are good, doing well. So today we are here with another important theme with respect to our UPSC examination. So the topic of today's discussion is the dark side of oil trade and how Iran's ghost fleet challenges the US as well as it benefits India and China. So in this lecture we will uncover the hidden world of Iran's shadow oil trades, where massive quantities of sanctioned Iranian oil are being secretly exported across the world. So let's start this lecture and move further. A shadow economy defying superpower. So despite strict US sanction, Iran continued to sell its oil using highly sophisticated smuggling technique, often right under America's nose. So the biggest beneficiaries of this trade are countries like China and India, while Western nations struggle to control Iran's influence. So what we are going to discuss, how does Iran bypass US sanction? What role does this ghost fleet play in smuggling oil? How does this impact global geopolitics, including India? So, let's deep dive into the intriguing geopolitical and economic mystery. If I talk about the sanction, the origin of sanction on Iran and why Iran is isolated. So, to understand this present situation of Iran, we need to look back at the past. So, Iran has been under international sanction for decades, primarily due to its policies or like its program, especially the nuclear program concerned, alleged funding of military group like Hezbollah and Hamas, and geopolitical rivalry with US and Israel. So the first major oil sanction on Iran were imposed by Britain in the year 1953, when Iran attempted to nationalize its oil industry. However, Iran's real trouble began after 1979, that is the year when Islamic Revolution started, which completely changed its relation with USA. So if I give you certain key turning points, so I will list around certain year which you need not to keep in a mind, but I request you to listen. Then only you can understand the present situation of Iran and why there is a continuous rivalry between US and Iran. So, in the year 1979, US Embassy hostage crisis led to initial sanction on Iran. In the year 1987, US banned direct oil imports from Iran. In the year 1995, US companies were prohibited from trading Iranian oil. In the year 2012, Iran removed from a SWIFT banking system, making global transaction extremely difficult. So this SWIFT banking system, like UPSC has already asked question from 2-3 points which I have discussed here. The first was Hamas group, and the question was very simple, like they belong to which region, and the another question which has been asked already with respect to SWIFT. The question was very simple, like this SWIFT is related to which area. So it is related to banking system, and they asked us the definition of this SWIFT. So in the year 2018, we are seeing that Trump withdrew from Iran nuclear deal, leading to maximum pressure sanctions. So apart from that, what like recently Donald Trump came into the power, so what will happen next, we have to look also. If I talk about the Iran sanction busting oil export, then first we can see its evasion tactic. So Iran leverages a network of middlemen, sales company and complex financial transaction to obscure origin of its oil. If I talk about the destination market of Iranian oil, then major destinations include India, China and other countries seeking affordable energy sources. If I talk about the like oil is economic lifeline of Iran, so oil exports are crucial source for revenue for Iran, allowing it to sustain its economy despite sanction. So let's move and talk about the technique which is being used by Iran with respect to like, we know despite all this restriction which has been imposed on Iran by US, Iran has constantly found way out to evade this sanction and continue selling its oil secretly. So how does this Iran smuggle oil despite US sanction? Iran uses highly advanced network of ships, companies and financial trick to move its oil. So this legal trade is estimated around, like if I talk about its worth, that is 35 to 50 billion dollar annually. So here are the some strategy like which is used by Iran with respect to bypassing these sanctions. So the first, like in the last lecture, if you guys have seen that recently US has also put sanction on Russian oil, and there I introduced the one key term with respect to that topic. The key term was shadow fleet. So today also we are going to another term, that is a ghost fleet, that is ship that vanish from the radar. So Iran operates a secret fleet of oil tanker that is called ghost fleet. So this ship turn off their transponder to disappear from international tracking system. So they frequently change names as well as flags. Apart from that, you can see like 1 month a tracker can be registered in Panama, and the next month it's being registered in Tanzania or Liberia. So by doing this, they can easily disguise themselves and transport oil undetected. Next step which they use, that I have mentioned here also, that is ship to ship transfer. So hide the origin of oil. So in area like Persian Gulf, South China Sea, Iranian tankers transfer oil to other ships at sea. So this make it impossible for authorities to track the oil original source. So the second ship then creates a fake document labeling the oil as Iraqi or Malaysian crude instead Iranian oil. Smuggled via Iraq. So Iran mixes its oil with Iraqi oil before exporting it. So it then creates a fake paper, making the oil appear to be purely Iraqi. So this trick alone helped Iran earn around $3 billion per year. Next point, source, like a strategy which is used by Iran, that is UAE based companies and shells company. So Iran uses 500 plus UAE based companies to re-export its oil legally. Additionally, 2000 plus fake, I would say, shell companies across 30 plus countries help Iran secretly move oil worldwide. So this, apart from that, we also, another point we can see that selling oil to China at a discount. So Iran sell oil to China at a discount, because Iran, like why they sell it, let's discuss about that also. So Iran sell crude oil to China at around 10 to 15% discounted price. So China buy this Iranian oil, rebrand it as a Malaysian or Middle Eastern oil, and sell it in international market. So to avoid detection, China pays in Chinese currency, Chinese yuan, instead of US dollar. So reducing reliance on SWIFT system. So this is the reason why Iran sells oil to China at high discounted price. So what all these results? So these all resulted into like US fails to cut off Iran's revenue while China gets cheap oil and strengthen its energy security. Let's talk about the beneficiaries. Who are the beneficiaries of Iran Ghost Fleet? And the biggest beneficiaries which we are seeing here, that is India and China. So while Western country tries to block Iranian oil, other nation benefits immensely from Iran's discounted crude oil. If I talk about India, so India's like by it strategic but careful approach. India's approach is a bit careful. So before 2019, India was a major buyer of Iranian oil, but it stopped purchasing after US pressure. However, India indirectly benefits as Iran's discounted oil reduce global oil price, helping India saves on its oil imports. So India still engage with Iran's for strategic project like Charbahar port to maintain diplomatic ties. Apart from that, if I talk about the China, so China is the biggest beneficiary. We have seen why. So 90% of Iranian oil exports goes to China. Iran sells oil at a lower than market price, saving China's billion of dollars. So China avoids US pressure by using smaller banks that are not connected to the global financial system. So like why the tactic which is being used by Iran, like Russia is also learning from it. So like in the last lecture, or you will find it in our channel in our channel also, like we have talked the recent sanction put by US on Russian oil. So Russia can again learn from the Iran's tactic. And after Western countries sanction on Russia, it started using the same ghost fleet that I talk about that I already talked in the lecture, and banking tricks as Iran. So Russia now exports its oil via secretive routes, just like Iran trade with China using yuan instead of dollar. So let's move further and talk why US, like Yeah, why US struggle to curb Iran's oil export. So despite imposing new sanction every year, US has failed to stop Iran's oil trade. And why? Let's discuss. So first is Iran's tactics are too sophisticated. Like I already discussed about the ghost fleet, fake paperwork is used, ship to ship transfer make tracking impossible. China provides financial protection to Iran, so Iran safely store its oil revenues in Chinese bank outside US control. US allies are hesitated to act, so even European countries and Gulf nations avoid fully enforcing sanction to keep diplomatic options open. So let's move further and talk about the geopolitical implication and consequences. So what we can see, if I talk about the present situation, so in 2014, US, like last year only, US blacklisted around 16 new Iranian companies and 23 ships. And recently we have seen that Donald Trump has been elected as the 47th president of US, and let's see what his move will be in future. So however, experts believe sanction alone will not work unless US targets Iran's financial network more aggressively. So US-Iran tension will accelerate regional instability. So the trade fuel instability in Middle East with potential for conflict and competition over energy resources. Global impact, if I talk, the trade undermines global energy security, disrupts international market, creating uncertainty and volatility. So let's come to the conclusion where we are going to discuss like the resilience of we will talk about the future of Iran's oil trade and global impact. So if I talk about Iran's shadow oil economy is a example of how a country can defy the world's most powerful economic restriction. China, Russia and India continues to benefit, while US struggle to enforce sanctions effectively. Unless US and its allies close financial loophole, Iran will continue to bypass restriction and sustain its economy. So what are the key takeaway from this lecture? So Iran ghost fleet smuggles millions of barrels of oil undetected. China buys most of this oil at discounted, strengthening its energy security. India benefits but not directly. It's indirectly benefited as Iranian oil reduces global oil price. US faces major challenges in shaping Iran's shadow economy. So what do you think? Will the US ever be able to stop Iran's oil trade? Or will Iran continue to outsmart global sanctions? So do let us know in the comment. If you like this lecture, don't forget to hit the like button. Do subscribe our channel to be updated. That's all for today. See you soon. Till then, take care. Thank you.